How do my eggs not stick to the skillet? Well, before we answer that question, if this isn't the appropriate ratio of ketchup to egg, you gotta catch up. Yikes, sorry. Anyway.
Since I got used to eggs sticking to non-stick pan, I'm using non-stick one today. That ketchup to egg ratio is fine. Anyway, I love you, Doobie.
For the perfect crispy style egg, you want to first prepare a sturdy aluminum pan.
A not so sturdy non-stick pan.
Heat the skillet until extremely hot, almost to a point where you see smoke rising.
I see the smoke rising. There, see.
At this point, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, something with a high smoking point like vegetable, canola, or grapeseed.
I'm using sunflower oil. Is it considered vegetable oil?
Since metal expands from heat, drizzling in the oil at a high temperature allows the oil to penetrate and creates almost this all-natural non-stick coating. Then crack a beautiful egg into the pan, turn the
Cracking my handsome egg into the pan.
heat back on and baste the egg whites with the oil. Do not be tempted to scrape the bottom of the egg at this point.
My attempt to scrape the pan.
The egg will naturally release itself from a process called Maillard reaction with a crispy caramelized bottom, just like you. And voila, I hope this answers.
I don't think I have that crispy caramelized bottom. I have a soft one. I always want to try one of Doobie's recipes, so I tried this one. She has some magical aura.